Hi and welcome to my show. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to make this mask from old plastic bottles. First I'm going to draw the shape of the mask on the bottle. And then I'll cut it. First I'm making an incision with a knife so that I can put my scissor through it, and then I'll cut it with a scissor. Now I'm using Mod Podge plus water to stick the papers. I'm using some old shredded documents which I don't need anymore. You can use newspapers or any other paper. After covering up, I'll wait till it dries. And now I'm going to mark the eyes and lips and all the features of the face with a pencil. Now again I'm going to cut only the eyes and the lips. I'll make a hollow there. This way I'll cut all the three. Now this is how it looks. Now I'm using some air dry clay which I bought from the dollar store. I'll glue the corners with the clay over the eyes and the lips. Now with the same air dry clay, I will make the nose. And I've also made the eyebrows. Now I'm just making some marks to color the face. Now as you can see, I will color the face with different colors. You can color the mask as colorful as you want or as self color as you want. It's up to you. I have used the three basic colors, yellow, red and blue, and also black I have used. You can use any colors. After coloring, it looks like this. Now I have used cotton buds to make dots as a design. I have used only white color for the dots throughout the design because my mask base color is so bright, so I have used only white. First I am highlighting all the features and the borders, and then I am making some designs. Now I am adding Mod Podge to seal it and also to give a shine. I've made one more mask, but here I have colored everything black. As a base color I have used only black, and then I have put dots with different colors. I used my brushes also for thinner dots. Now I'm just making the loop to hang it on the wall. These are looking great. If you have liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And please do subscribe for more such videos on craft. Thank you.